Yeah. Hi, students. I am Dr. Badrinath, and in this video, we will see the concept of health and disease. Right? Okay. Here, keep in your mind, we will divide the two parts, that is a health and disease. So, in this video, we will cover concept of health. Next video, we will cover the concept of disease. It is completely new subject. This topic comes under the social and preventive pharmacy. The subject was newly introduced to the final years for the B.Pharmacy by the Pharmacy Council of India. Really a great effort by the Pharmacy Council of India. They recognized what is the value of the health. That's why they kept this subject to you. Okay, it is completely new to our profession, right? Okay. Here, what I have shown, this is a jet lag disease. Most of the pharmacy students, they do not know this disease. If we are simply changing the country to country, country to country, we know that country to country time varies. So our body cannot adjust all those timings. Okay, so that's why it leads to jet lag effect, mainly due to the crossing of the countries, crossing of the time zones. Different countries having a different time zones, right? Yeah. Health definition given by the Mahatma Gandhi. It is a health that is real wealth. He called as a real wealth and not the piece of a gold or silver. You can purchase a very good medicine, but you cannot purchase the health. You can join in very good, excellent corporate hospital, but you cannot purchase the health. Okay, that's why that is a very, 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 very important. Health prevention is very, very important. That's why your subject name is preventive pharmacy. Prevention is better than cure. Excellent subject. It was introduced. See here, this is your syllabus course of the study for the semester 8, social and preventive pharmacy. Excellent subject, right? Okay, and essential for you also. And in this one, first unit, concept of health and disease. So here we will see the concept of health in this video, and definition we will cover. In the next video, we will see the concept of disease. Okay, right. So I will keep on uploading all the videos. You can be watch it. And what are the topics covered in this video is 5 topics. Definition of the health by the WHO, what it says, what we know about the health, what WHO says, essential requirement for maintaining the good health, what you want actually to maintain the good health, what okay, factors affecting the health, dimensions, how you are measuring the good health. By the 8 dimensions are there, by using that only you can say it is a good health. Health is different, good health is different. Keep in your mind, there is a difference is there. I will explain you what is it. Different concepts of health. These are the 5 points what we are going to be cover in this video. Be cool. Okay, everything I will upload. You just watch and take screenshots. Yeah, first we will see the definition of the health by WHO has given. World Health Organization in 1947, our independence year of India. Health is defined as the, see here, 3 things you have to keep in your mind. State of complete physical, see here, physically you should be very active. Mentally your mind also has to be active and it should work. And social well-being, how you are behaving with others, it is called a social. Okay, so physical, mental, as well as the social. Then if you complete these 3, then only you can say health. Not only the six-pack, only they have a six-pack, maybe a good health, and we will feel that good. It is only physical, but mentally they have to be strong. That is very, very important. You go and see in mental hospitals, their physics are good. Their body biological parameters all are good. RBC count, WBC count, everything. But mentally they are retarded. That's why the WHO has kept the physical, mental, as well as social also. If you are misbehaving with others, it is also doesn't considered as a health. Okay, and see here, in olden days they are seeing that it is not merely absence of disease. Keep in your mind, in olden days, absence of disease they are considering as a health. No, WHO will not accept that. Okay, not only meet the absence of disease or infirmity, it is a mix of 3 things. Okay, this is a symbol of WHO, you know very well. Okay, physical, mental, and social. 3 things you have to triangle, you have to keep in your mind. And next you come to the another topic, that is essential requirements for maintaining of a good health. If you want a really good health, what you have to do? What are the essential? 3 are essential, not only one. See, balanced diet, first one. Balanced diet. Here I have shown what is the composition, what you have to take. All the food materials we can be classified into proteins, fats, we know very well, carbohydrates. Yeah, here. How to take this proportion? 30% of protein, 30% of fat, 40%. Remaining 40% is the carbohydrates. Okay. Balanced diet is the first one. Okay, first one. Suitable proportion of the carbohydrates, proteins, fats. This combination you have to write in the examination. This percentage very easy, 30, 30 and 40. Breakfast, lunch, dinner should be fresh, not which kept in the fridge or 1 week, next 1 week, another 1 week, last week food you are taking now. No, 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 no. Fresh. Everything it should be fresh. Food in a proper timings. Otherwise, it leads to acidity. Not only taking the food, not only composition, but also proper timing is important. Otherwise, it may leads to acidity again. So you will get a disease. Drinking of lot of water, not only food, water also. So I covered here major point that you have to keep in your mind very strongly. Drinking of lots of good water, around 4 to 5 liters per day. That is a balanced diet. First one. See, if you are taking only simply balanced diet, and if you are having all bad habit like smoking, alcohol, it will be waste. Your food will be waste. Okay. However, it may be somewhat help, but your bad habits may damage your health, even though you are taking a very good health, very good diet. Okay. So this is also very important. Good habits, like a daily taking a toothbrush. Otherwise, root canal treatment, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 rupees it gone. Capping. Okay, all these things. Okay, or they will fix a teeth and they will screw. Okay, daily brushing, daily bath compulsory. Otherwise, organisms will be developed there. Exposure to the fresh air, pure oxygen you have to expose. That is also very, very important. Sunlight, vitamin D will be there. You can you can be get it. No alcohol, no tobacco, no addicted drugs. Listening of the pleasant music. All these are the good habits. Inspiring and motivation, keeping yourself, so your mental health will be good. Okay. Exercise and rest. You see, if you are following a 1 and 2 but you are not following 3, again it will be waste. You cannot you may be get health but not good health. Good health required the 3 things, 1, 2, 3. Exercise and rest. See how this person is going walking every day, 45 to 60 minutes daily physical exercise. No compromise, no bargaining in that. No bargaining. It is not a business to bargain. Sir, I will go for 10 minutes. I will go for 15 minutes. No bargain at all. Okay. No discount. Okay. And walking, yoga, aerobics. See, walking is different. Yoga is different. Aerobics is different. And asanas is different. All these 4 things you have to be maintained within a 1 hour. 8 hours continuous and sound sleep. That is also very highly important, especially during the examination. 8 hours compulsory sleep, at least 7 minimum. Exercise and rest acts as a stress buster. Our body will be healed in a sleep. Sleep is very good and excellent. And factors that are going to affect the health is what are these factors? Hereditary factor, it affects your health. Even though you are following all the 3, but due to hereditary, it maybe comes from your parent. See here, transmission of a disease caused genes from the parents to the child during the pregnancy level itself. Diabetes, for example, is diabetic. Diabetes is a hereditary disease. It was proven also. If your family is having a history of diabetes, you should have all good habits of the health. Otherwise, it will be. See here, father is having a 50% of the diseased genes, and mother is having a 50% of diseased gene. Then what happened? Because of their marriage, and 4 options are there. Unfortunately, you may select this genes, and you selected this gene and you brought and you born. You selected red genes. Here also you selected red genes and you born. Fortunately, you selected the black healthy genes here, and here also you selected a black healthy gene and you born. So 25% is possible is there. This is also 25%. 50% possibility is there like this or like this, same as it is. This is a 50%, 50%, 25%, 25%. Very important diagram. You can write very easily, you can remember. And not affected, not a carrier. See, not affected, and they will not carry the also. Here, they will affected and they will carry the genes to the next generation again. Here, not affected. They will not affect, but they will carry, simply act as a carry. So these are the problems what you can be write in the examination. And number 2 is environmental factors, air pollution. First one is asthma, air pollution. Recently, the doctors have suggested to Congress party in charge, that is Sonia Gandhi, Delhi is full of pollution. You just go to Goa and you take the breath there, because we cannot change the entire Delhi environment for you. Okay, so that she left to Goa and she started taking up the pure breath in the Goa. Air pollution is asthma. That is the main one. Water pollution, cholera. See this fellow how he's playing in the water, dirty water. It may leads to cholera, definitely. Soil pollution. See, this is a soil pollution. Gasoline, benzene in soil causes the cancer. See, this is a cancer cell. Because this is a gas lines. Gasoline means it is a petrol or diesel or petroleum products. It leads to the cancer. Okay, and flies, small flies like mosquito. This mosquito carries the malaria, and bat, we know very well, bat carries the corona genes. All these things will be there. Environment also, it causes the impact to the health. Okay, and economical factors. Your financial status also, it may leads to some of the affects your health. Financial status of a person, like a poor persons like this, they will become like this because no nutritional food. It leads to kwashiorkor and marasmus. These are the kwashiorkor, this is the marasmus. So they will become this. Both are a deficiency of the nutritional food. Very, very important. Most of the cases are diseases are due to deficiency of the food only, nutritions only. Okay, and rich persons, excess of intake, they may take excess of intake of the food, it may leads to gout, and it may leads to obesity also. All these examples are important, and you have to write in the examination. And personal factor, what is his personal the thing. For example, say night shift work, those person, it related to their person. Sleeplessness, it leads to insomnia. This is an insomnia nightclub which is available in various cities like Delhi or Hyderabad, I think so. Insomnia, it is a nightclub. Okay, those just like owl, you know, this is this animal, bird, owl. Night it will not sleep. It looks like this night times, owl, because insomnia. If you are not getting a sleep, you go to nightclub, insomnia nightclub, and there you have to enjoy. Otherwise, you cannot get a sleep. Insomnia. Okay, the club name itself, insomnia. Disease name is a club name. See, just imagine. Frequent abroad journey like this, you will become like this. Your body cannot adjust. See, morning you took a flight in the America, and when you land here also morning started. So your body, how it has to feel. Either you see there you took a breakfast, and here morning again you have to take a breakfast. What you have to take? Everything is confusion for your body also. So frequently, if you are changing the countries, time zones, if you are crossing, you will get a jet lag effect. Here you can see the jet. This is a jet, and different countries timings are different, we know very well. Okay, right. And dimensions, 8 dimensions, you have to write a complete list. This is causes a good health. Health is different. Health is only 3 things: social, mental, physical. But good health having a 8 characteristics, 8 dimensions you can measure. First one is social. You start here. Socially well-being, it is already there in the WHO definition. Physical, this is also there in the WHO definition. Physical. Environmental, it is not there. Environmentally, emotionally, and also intellectually. Okay, occupational, your how to your job, either night shift job or day shift job. And spiritually, like devotionally, you should be good. Devotion will give a lot of health. And financially, all these things are the 8 are there, well fit for you. 8 things you have to be practiced, otherwise your health will be damaged. Now you come to the last concept, that is a different concepts of the health. Biomedical 4 are there, very important. Biomedical concept, ecological concept, psychological, psychosocial concept, holistic health. That we will see one by one. What is a biomedical concept? According to this concept, health means absence of disease. This is the oldest definition. First one, it came this concept. Absence of disease means, yeah, health. No, it is not there. This biomedical concept, nobody will accept. Nobody will accept later. It is only first initiation. This is based on the germ theory. Here I kept germ. That's why germ theory. Because absence of germs in the body, it is nothing but a health. Like that, they are defining according to the biomedical concept. Okay, if one person was free from disease, then that person was considered as a healthy according to this theory. Okay, the medical professional viewed that human body as a mission, and disease is an outcome of the breakdown of the mission. The doctors will take the repair, they will do the repair of the mission. And this concept never not accept the influence of environment, influence of social, influence of cultural on the health, like that. It will not accept only one thing: absence of disease, good health. But later what happened? Ecologists came. Ecology, eco-friendly. Nowadays everything is calling as eco-friendly, 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 eco-friendly. Biomedical concept was not accepted by the ecologists. See, this lady is ecologist. She go along with the nature. Wherever nature is there, she will go on writing, go on writing. That is a ecologist job. Okay, they love the nature, ecologist. They bring the new concept of the health called as a ecological concept. They didn't accept ecologists. Ecologists will not accept biomedical concept. They ruled out completely, like cross mark they put for biomedical concept. According to this concept, health is a dynamic equilibrium between the man and environment. There must be equilibrium. That is a very, very important point here according to ecological concept. Dynamic equilibrium must be there between this is environment and this is a man. So environment and mass. Otherwise, this disease is a just maladjustment of the human organ environment, human to environment, right? Okay. So if is there any miscommunication between the environment and human, it may leads to the dishealth. And psychosocial concept. See, some persons are just like a psycho. If they are mentally strong, they are physically strong. But psychosocial behavior is very bad. Monthly one, he will do one murder. Monthly one. But you ask any question, who is the Prime Minister of Modi, and who is the, what is the capital city of India, where is the US? Mentally they are very strong. Physically also they will strong. But their psychosocial behavior, simply they'll murder for every day one fellow, like that. So that's why this is also very important, psychosocial. Then you cannot consider him as a healthy person. No. Okay. As per this theory, health is influenced by the social, psychological, cultural, economical, and political factors. So all these comes in the psychosocial factor. Okay. So social behavior. So psycho killers are physically, mentally strong, but they are not considered as a healthy persons. Very important. Okay. So this is a movie of a psycho movie. And final, last one, holistic approach, holy, happy holy. This is the last one. Here you make it a holy. What is this holy? It is a synthesis or mix of all above concepts. Mixed in a grinder, and finally one concept came, that is called a holistic. It is a mixed pickle. It is neither mango pickle nor a lemon pickle. It is a mixed pickle. Okay. According to this theory, see here, you can see the definition here. The definition of holistic health includes a health is a balanced approach of healing mind. Your mind should heal. Mind should have such a capacity. If your body get any sickness, your mind has to heal it. Healing capacity of mind, healing capacity of the body, healing capacity of your spirit, that is will. These three collectively called as a holistic concept, called as a health. Okay. Yeah. So I will end my session here. Entire subject will be concept wise. I will keep on uploading as per your examinations schedule. So the syllabus is throughout India, same syllabus. Okay, it is available in my playlist. You just watch it.